Robot stairs. During missions, you will be faced with obstacles such as curbs and stairs. It is important to practice in a controlled environment before attempting them during a mission. The chassis on the T5 is narrow to allow it to fit into tight spaces. Due to the narrowness of the robot, keeping it straight when going up stairs or obstacles is very important to prevent the robot from rolling over. Always keep the robot straight with the arms stowed and the PTZ mast lowered when climbing curbs or stairs. In order to climb stairs, the anti-flip bar must be attached to the back of the robot. To attach the anti-flip bar, unscrew the lower two eye bolts from the back of the robot chassis, attach the anti-flip bar, and screw in the eye bolts. Approach the stairs head-on in medium gear. Ease the joystick upwards without going too fast. Once on the stairs, make sure to keep a slow, steady pace all the way up and try to keep the robot as straight as possible. If the robot goes too fast, it is more likely to skip on one side, which causes the robot to turn and increases the chance for a rollover. If the first step is too high for the robot to climb or is having difficulty gaining traction, you may either turn the robot at an angle so that the weight is all on one track, giving it more grip, or tilt the arm backwards so that there is more weight on the back of the robot, making it easier for the front of the robot to gain the first step. If either of these techniques is used, once on the steps, straighten the robot and stow away the arm before you continue with climbing. Do not climb the stairs with the arm in any position other than stowed, as the robot could flip backwards. In some extreme cases, the arm can be used to lift the robot onto the first stair. If this technique is used, be sure to stow the arm once the robot has gained the stairs. Releasing the joystick will cause the robot to steadily roll back down the stairs. If the robot skips on one side and becomes crooked, sometimes allowing the robot to go backwards will help to straighten it out. When descending stairs, the robot must always go down backwards, with the anti-flip bar towards the bottom of the stairs. If the robot attempts to descend the stairs forwards, it will tip and roll over. Using the PTZ camera to observe the rear wheel and anti-flip bar, drive the robot until the rear tire is aligned with the second step below the landing. At this point, the robot will start to teeter on the edge, and very small incremental movements will allow it to gently tip over the stairs. Once the robot is on the stairs, depending on how steep they are, it will slowly drive down by itself. You just need to make very small left and right adjustments to keep it straight as it comes down. If you need to fully stop the robot on the stairs, press the drive button to lock the brakes. Once the rear wheels reach the bottom, you can pull down on the joystick to drive it off the stairs completely.